when we reacquired the Chevy 2.
Yep.
It had the same carburetor that I purchased.
I had to beg you to buy this carburetor.
So
Is this the same one?
It's the same one.
Welcome to the FarmtruckandAZN YouTube channel.
Where it is what it isn't.
Where's your flashlight? We saw you playing with it. Turn off all the lights, Asian.
Okay.
I got a new flashlight. Okay. R&D for me.
Oh, okay.
Right. I went to the gun show. Right. And they had these little O lights. This is it right here. See?
I don't see anything.
Can you see it? Wait, let me use my flashlight.
Yeah. Okay, this is it. Right? It's a tiny little O light, but it's a keychain light. Whenever you pull the magnet off, it comes on.
Okay.
Right? And then off is
Oh, wait, it just jumped back on.
Let's show that
do you,
action.
yeah?
Yeah.
Do you see that?
All right, now, how strong is that magnet?
Okay, well look, it's strong because
Oh.
you know,
Here.
I can hold it a good what?
Move this box out of the way.
Oh, yeah.
All right, measure it.
All right, here
An
we go.
inch.
Let's see. That's about an inch right there, but then
Oh.
okay.
That's not an inch.
So it holds it really well. But the cool thing is like, okay, do you got a light? Yeah, I got a light.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh.
You just stick it up right there.
Oh, I got
you. know?
Okay.
I mean, it's got like 3 watch batteries. And they say that you get about 30 minutes.
Okay. He's got a magnet
Let me
on
see.
the keychain. Let's see if the magnet activates
me
the
see.
light.
Oh.
The disc.
Oh, no, it's the opposite.
Oh, it's the other one.
opposite. That does nothing for us.
I just got a double ring. Damn it.
That magnet ain't compared to this
No,
one.
it's not.
Right?
That's
Where's
that.
the other end of that magnet?
I lost it.
If you lose your keys, this is gone, right? You got bigger problems anyway,
Okay.
right?
Okay. I kind of wish, big picture, that other end was connected to a set of keys so you could find them if they got disconnected.
Oh, that way your keys are lit.
Yes.
Okay, wait.
Big picture, right?
It's attached to the keys.
Yes.
Right?
It's attached to them.
I lost them.
I lost them.
Let me see if I can find them.
You need two.
No, you don't.
Okay. Yeah.
All you need is this.
Okay.
Let me. Oh, I found your keys, bro.
Oh, there.
Yeah, there they
there's
are
the
right
other
there.
End.
Yeah.
There's the other end.
Okay. They make pens. They make bigger lights.
This video is sponsored by Ola.
Not.
No, I've never heard of the company before. Never heard of them, and I just thought they had some creative stuff. How many times are you trying to get in the? You can't fit the key in the keyway, so you can get in the door.
A lot.
What do? Huh?
You guessed. Oh.
I'll show you what I do. That's what I do.
Oh, he's got a
That's what I
bat
do.
watch.
That's what I do. I got a bat watch.
That's too nerdy.
It is kind of
That is
nerdy.
way nerdy. That's way nerdy.
Activate the hat.
Activate light.
I'm old school, but you know I've always carried this string light
Hey, that
right
thing's
here.
polished.
Wow, dude.
Yeah, that's a gene
Look
polish.
like you sucked the chrome off of that thing.
Ah, dang, dude. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's another O-light.
This video is sponsored by Ola.
It's not. There you go. That's what I was getting.
Wait, how many flashlights do you...
I'm gonna end up with
Okay.
Look at that.
Right,
dude.
that's the new one. Oh, you got a little bit of wear on yours.
a little bit.
Right.
Little bit.
But hey,
Young
you
buck.
know, we'll give it a shot and
not
see
what
how
this-
see how these old lights are.
Not what the video's about.
What is this video about?
Oh,
It's about this.
okay.
Okay, so when we reacquired the Chevy 2,
Yep.
it had the same carburetor that I purchased on it, what, 2005?
I had to beg you to buy this carburetor. Is
cheap.
this the same one?
The same one.
Right, because we had been buying a lot of cheap carburetors, and then I finally bought a good one.
You did.
Right?
You taught us something with that.
Right, and then it was like a double pumper, no choke, but it was starting in the cold weather.
Yep.
It was working. It
was fine.
I bought a Holly.
So the company I bought this from BIGS Carburetors, and they only had an eBay retail store at the time. That was it. And they were the only ones doing aftermarket rebuilt carburetors. So I sent it to them. They're still in business. They rebuilt it, and this is it freshened up.
So this is the original one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's been sitting in the damn container. Chuck Church took it off after the new motor went in from Maloof, and then it's got a Holly on it too. But this was the original one that we kind of cut our teeth on. to learn how to.
And
change.
dude, this was a good carburetor.
Man, it was.
The old Chevy took off after you got this thing on
It
it.
changed it.
It's crazy how much a carb makes a difference.
Oh man,
Right.
Yeah, you
you buy a good carburetor.
you don't ever sell a good carburetor.
That's right.
You
Or
don't.
you get fuel injection.
Or you
Right?
get fuel injection.
Yes.
Yeah. No one ever says good carburetor for sale. It doesn't go together. It doesn't go together.
Wow, dude, it looks brand new.
Dang, dude. It's got the billet. Even had the billet metering box and blade and base.
It's got
there.
the 4-corner idle, right?
It even smells racy, doesn't it?
It does.
I don't know. That was just cool to look at back in the day, right? Like, remember the Performance Products pilot that had the purple?
Oh yeah,
yeah.
Yeah.
I think it was
yeah.
It was a tent, but this thing's just. I think they put some love into this. It'd be cool to put this back on the car.
Oh, that would be really
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, I mean,
Call Chuck Church up.
it's still Holly, you know. I think it's a 750.
Dude, they got this dialed in.
Oh, you think so?
Oh yeah, they do. Yeah, yeah. They went through this and made it right.
What are you
I'm
touching
looking
there?
at the accelerator pump here, and as soon as you move this, the accelerator pump goes right.
A little bit.
So, yeah,
Not much play.
right. That's just something that you learn as you go.
Right.
You know, whenever you start messing with carburetors, you got all these adjustable springs and everything, and whenever you start off, you really don't know what any of that crap means.
Agreed.
You know.
That's still one of, hell.
We used to always put that bigger accelerator pump.
At the very beginning.
Yeah.
To stop that
Right.
hesitation.
Right.
It seemed to be effective. There might be another way around that, but that's what we
Right,
did.
and it's the squirters. If you change the squirters, you can get there.
Yeah.
But I don't know if that would benefit you to have that bigger accelerator pump on the front or not.
They didn't really tune it. I didn't tell them what was going on. I just told them I wanted it rebuilt.
Yeah.
Right. So it probably does need.
It's probably got 73 jets in it square.
It's got the same ones we put in it. Whatever
Oh,
you
really?
and I put in it.
Yeah.
that's what's in it probably.
Wow.
I doubt they.
Well, we were running that thing down Route 66, and we'd make a pass.
Yep.
At the top end, we'd turn it off.
Yep.
We'd pull over to the side. We'd pull a spark plug.
Yep.
And look for that brown paper bag look. That's all we really.
Yeah.
All right. Any detonation? Nope.
No dots.
You got that brown paper bag with a good timing mark in the middle. That's all we knew then.
Yeah, it really was. That was the O2 sensor.
Yeah.
That was it. We were like,
Yeah.
make another pass.
I remember I couldn't see.
Oh.
Right, and I'd have to have you look at it.
Yeah.
And I'm asking you all the questions.
No.
You had the good young eyes.
Yeah. No. I learned
Yeah.
through what you two would tell me
Yeah,
what to
that's
look
right.
for.
Yeah.
So, it's just a cool piece of our history to have
Yeah.
that back, and a miracle that it's even lasted this long and stayed in the team.
Yeah, I'm not a fuel injection guy. I'm a carburetor guy. I want it to start on a key.
Yeah.
I want to reach behind the seat.
Yeah.
Turn the bottle on. Flip a nitrous
Me
switch.
too. Yeah.
You know, make a pass.
Yeah.
That's what I want. I don't.
Yeah.
I'm not smart enough to get a laptop out.
Right.
But carburetors are still cool and they still work.
It's a toilet. Right? Like it's a toilet. You pull the lever, the water goes down.
It's just like this,
Yeah.
right? This is how you flush it,
Flush.
right? But don't take shit in this.
Don't, please.
And these guys are, you know, obviously they got a good product because they're still doing it.
They're still
and
doing
that
it,
was
so-
what,
Wow, that was
18 years ago?
Yeah.
Wow.
I told them about that. They were like, what?
Well, it's 2024, guys. So
19 years ago? Shit.
Damn.
You don't have to math after 2023. You don't have to math. That's a law. Yeah, you don't have to math. Federal law. They got rid of math.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. I'm good then.
Hell yeah, I'm stoked to have it back.
Hell yeah.
It'll sit on the shelf for a little bit.
Yeah, we'll put it on the Chevy too and
That'd be fun.
revisit it.
Yeah.
yeah, dude, that would be really cool.
What would be cool is if we brought the Chevy 2 to the track, made it pass the way it is.
Yep.
Right?
Sure.
And then put that on it. See if it picks up.
I like it.
You know?
I like it.
I don't know.
Pick up my attitude. Yeah. Thank you, Biggs. Appreciate you guys for manhandling this thing and bringing it back to its original condition.
Hey, FarmtruckandAZN here. Thank you for sticking around and watching our YouTube videos.
Since you're a viewer and hopefully a subscriber, drop by our website, okcfarmtruck.com, and use discount code FNAYouTube to get 10% off your next order.
It's our way of saying thank you.
It's not!